everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be talking about my beautiful hair right here. It's been a while since I did a hair review. Yes, I know. Guys, I'm back. So this is Cambodian curly hair. So this is 26-inch Cambodian curly hair. And guys, I'm reviewing this hair because it's one of the best curly hairs I've ever tried. This time around, the curly is slightly tighter than what I usually go for. The reason being, I wanted to bleach this hair into blonde because you know I always love to dye or bleach my hair into blonde whenever I have curly. But before I did it, I was like, why not showcase the hair in its raw, authentic, natural way? And this is exactly what I have. I have on 4 bundles of 26 inches Cambodian curly hair and a 20-inch HD lace. HD 13x6 lace frontal. So the pattern is quite deep, guys. So this hair is beautiful. Does the head shed? Curly hair slightly shed, but not too much. When I comb out the hair, this is what comes out of it. Just a few strands, which is very normal, especially when you have curly hair, because we all know even our own hair on our scalp that shed when we comb it. So there's no hair out there that does not shed. But one thing I want to say is that this curly pattern, it's a very unique texture. It is raw Cambodian hair and I'm loving the unique curly hair texture. It's slightly tighter than what I usually go for, but I am loving and enjoying this curly hair texture. So guys, back to the Cambodian hair texture. The curls on this hair, it is tighter than what I usually go for, and this is what it looks like when I get closer to the camera. This curly hair texture is beautiful, amazing texture I have not had in a while. I am absolutely in love with this hair. So guys, what are we going to do? We're going to bleach this hair and we're going to dye it ginger blonde. Then in a few months time, I will update you on this curly hair. So in order to get this curly hair, you gotta go to www.therawvirginhairboutique.com and 20% discount using LOVE, all in capital 20, for 20% off your entire purchase. Once you purchase this hair, it will last you minimum 2 years when proper care is taken. When I say when proper care is taken, I mean when you wash, condition your hair and you do not ruin your lace. I personally do not glue my lace down. I sew my wigs onto my cornrows, and because it's HD lace, it most of the time looks like it's been glued down. Guys, this hair will last you minimum 2 years, maximum over 5 years. Most of my wigs I've had for 10 years ago and it's still good quality wigs. So watch out and just click the link in the description box, www.therawvirginhairboutique.com, for affordable raw hair extensions and wigs. Guys, they have beautiful raw hair extensions and wigs. Check it out. 20% off your overall total using the code LOVE20. Everything will be in the description box down below. Hope you viewers did enjoy this review. And once again, it's deep curly in Cambodian authentic raw virgin hair. Hope you viewers did enjoy this video, guys. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Guys, share this video because the little you do for me helps my YouTube channel reach out to people. Thank you a lot and hope you viewers will stay tuned for my next videos. Have a blessed evening and God bless you.